In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Halifax credit card account online and in the mobile app. We'll start on the website, open your browser and go straight to the official Halifax website. For a safe experience, type the address into the address bar yourself or use a trusted bookmark and make sure you see the padlock icon next to the URL. On the homepage, look toward the top of the page for the sign in button and click it. This takes you to Halifax's secure login area. On the sign in page, enter your user ID, your password and your memorable information exactly as you set them up. These details are case sensitive, so double check for capital letters, spaces and any special characters. The memorable information is an additional security layer. You'll usually be asked for specific characters from it, not the whole thing. Never share these details with anyone and avoid typing them on public or shared computers. If the page offers a secure keypad or hints for the memorable information, use them as directed to keep your account protected. Once everything is filled in correctly, proceed and you'll be taken into your online banking. From your main dashboard, select your credit card account. This is where you can review your balance and recent transactions, check statements and manage payments. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can quickly find exactly what you need next time. Now let's cover the Halifax mobile banking app. Download and open the official Halifax mobile banking app from your device's app store. Check that it's the genuine app by reviewing the developer name and ratings before you install. Keeping your device and the app updated helps ensure the latest security protections are in place. When you open the app, log in using your regular credentials or use your device's fingerprint or Face ID if you've enabled those features. Biometrics are a quick and secure way to get into the app without typing your password every time, and they only work on your own device. Once you're in, tap on cards. You'll see your Halifax credit card details, including transactions, statements, and payment options, all in one convenient place. And that's it. You're now logged into your Halifax credit card account, whether you prefer using the website or the mobile app. If anything on screen looks a little different, it may be due to app or site updates, but the flow remains the same. Go to the official site or open the official app, sign in securely, and then select your credit card to view and manage your account.